good morning. I'm taking stuff out of my truck so that I can make room for stuff. I'm gonna go back to IKEA today. Instead of me going all the way back, I decided to be resourceful and use this to pull the chair out. Take out these bars. Oh, my truck's so dirty. My snow scraper. Hey guys, I'm in IKEA here to pick up our stuff, and it's just kind of crazy to me that this is our table. It looks so small, but that's the one we have at home, and we're going to be upgrading to a much bigger table. So here I am in the warehouse looking at things, and here to pick up our bar stools. I have to get Scott more candy. We had to get some extra cushions just in case Haley dirties it. So I have my cushions in here, and then I'm gonna get him candy and pick up the stuff and good to go. Okay, so here are our bar stools, and I'm gonna load them into the truck. There's the stools loaded into the truck. It's super light, so it wasn't hard at all. Kind of a cloudy day, but at least it's not raining. So I'm all set. Let's go put this cart back. If I can do this with one hand. Oh, drunk driver. Okay. And then I don't think I need to cover it because I'm going straight home, so it should be fine. Dunzo. But I might stop somewhere to eat, so let's just lock it. And then here's the rest of the stuff. I just bought 2 extra cushions just in case. And then these are the candies that Scott wanted. Yep, so that's our IKEA haul. And I'm going to probably go get something to eat now. Here at Simon Says. Happy Aloha Friday, guys. I'm about to eat my Spam musubi and have some Hawaiian sun. Hey guys, I just came back from running errands, and so that's why I went to go get the family musubis today. We have some exciting news, so stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed the flashback vlog. Randomly hailing. This sound so you can hear it. See that? Crazy Seattle weather.
Throwing ice at me.
I didn't stick my cup outside. It like bouncing off the other cars. Oh! It still trips me out. Like, I've seen it a few times, but I don't know. It always just... I wish I could stick my hand out so you guys could see, like, the balls of ice.
It's small compared to what we've seen.
Yeah.
And nothing like what it can be.
Mm-hmm. Like the baseball-sized ones. Thank God we don't have that. Look at the traffic on the other side, though. while we were there, we didn't have to deal with that though, yeah?
No,
Because we mostly stayed like
on the west.
in the areas, yeah. Like we were in Waikiki, we'd stay in Waikiki, or when we were at Aulani, we'd stay at Aulani. Oh, and I think it's done, kind of. Look, guys, now it's clear. It's so crazy. We just got done with Haley's volleyball tournament. Husband's driving. Haley is knocked out. It was a really nice day though today, like in the area that we're in. Haley played amazing today, so it was awesome to watch her play. So fun day. Look at the sky. So pretty. And there's Boeing. Yeah, this is Boeing, right? Yeah. This is Boeing Airfield. Look at how beautiful the sky is. Let me take a picture.
This guy.
Yeah, look at how beautiful the sky is. And the sky. And this guy. And the sky. This is like a record, I think, of how many times we've been to IKEA, or I've been to IKEA in like a month's time. I've been here so much. Good morning, sunshine. Did you have a good nap? You wish it was longer? Yes. I told Dad you could sleep in the car, but he said you'll be cold.
But you would have been cold.
This is actually our headboard that we have right now, but we have it in dark. Like we have it in that color. And we have it in a king size, but this is a cute setup, yeah, Haley? Yeah. Ooh, it's cold. Okay, so we're at IKEA. These are the choices. I'm probably gonna get this because I saw someone eating it and it looked really good. Braised pork shank. Haley, what are you getting? Babe, what are you getting? And then there's like salads and lox. What? Pork shank? Same thing as me? Kids meals. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
The guys one looks really good.
Huh?
The guys one looks super good.
You can have some of mine. It looks really good. That's how it looks when you dig into it. I've had the salmon here before. The salmon's really good. And you can try some of my pork shank. I'm gonna go find napkins first. Oh. So it's salmon with like, is that hollandaise sauce or like?
I don't know. He said like dill. Or...
Yeah, maybe it's hollandaise. I don't know. I forget. Anyway, we're gonna eat. You're so unfazed about everything. You guys, there was just like super duper loud thunder that was shaking the whole building. And Haley's just like, la, da, da, coming back from putting her plate on the rack thing. You didn't like realize that was really loud?
I mean, like I heard it, but I didn't like process it. Thought it was thunder.
So crazy. I hope it happens again so we can hear it like on camera.
And go in my bed and then listen to the thunder.
Why, are you afraid?
No, but just it's like I like that feeling of being like when it's a rainy day and just covered in your sheets.
You should do that when you sleep. Oh, because like we found this thing on YouTube that we fall asleep to. It's like a thunderstorm.
Oh.
And then like it looks like you're looking out a window with like leaves and stuff.
That's what I started watching that.
Oh, you did?
I have. They started a sleep timer on Spotify, so I go boop.
How?
Boop.
One more time.
Boop. Set my timer for like 15 minutes, and I'm like, it's like just comforting because I always like to listen. I mean, I thought I'd like to do it, but then there was no like timer or anything.
So a few days this week I came home from work.
Yeah.
And you were sleeping.
Yeah.
And your iPad was watching me.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oopsies.
At least you came home from work and she was sleeping.
Yeah.
And not up. Because sometimes that happens.
Sometimes.
Oh, that happened one day this week.
Or like I'll get a call saying you're coming home, and then she's like, okay, I'm gonna go to bed. So she tries to fall asleep before you
Yeah.
come home.
What?
Are you?
Yeah.
Nice hat.
Thank you.
Nice face.
Thank you.
Nice ring.
Thank you.
Nice beard.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you.
Okay, we're gonna take a picture of this thing because I maybe at one point might want Scott to make it for me. Lift it up so we can see it.
Oh.
Yeah. So that Dad can like make it for me eventually. You know? Okay. So Tamayoshi, you're making that for me one day. Okay? Best husband ever.
No paparazzi.
Somebody get their daughter.
Not mine.
Go get their daughter.
Not mine.
So you guys were thinking of getting like one of these cool fixtures for Haley's room. And I think we like the flower one better. Yeah, that one's really pretty. Look at this craziness. A tire's rolling. And we just saw the car that like lost it. It's insane. Servicing our car right now. With this handsome guy. Look at his shoes. So nice. I like your outfit. I always wear Uggs, and my Uggs are super dirty. Can you clean my Uggs for me? So we got 2 iced caramel blondies, and we're waiting for our food, which I see it right there. How is it?
It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, that's good. I'm still waiting for mine. I think she made ours wrong, and so she had to redo it. That's why it's taking long. But okay, so she did redo it. Here's my sandwich. Scott really likes the burrito and the coffee, so it was worth the wait. Here's the new Supra, guys. So this is gonna be your next car, babe? Are you like a bachelor? Like
Soon
a
to be.
single young bachelor? It's really nice though. It's gonna be a new chapter in your life. Single, ready to mingle. So you guys, even though this is not one of the new exciting things that's happening, we do have some new exciting things. You guys just have to stay tuned. This is really nice though. Oh Lord, he's gonna let him start it. Oh. Our car's done, so we're going back to the service department. Okay, it's done. There's his car. It's a pretty nice day today. So we're gonna go pick up the fam, do some adult things. Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks. Look at how beautiful, you guys. I really love the green against like the blue skies. And then with the clouds, oh my gosh, so pretty. So you guys, we travel to like a lot of different cities and stuff in Washington. But our heart is so in Silverdale. We love living here. Yeah, babe?
Yep.